Well, it's another hot and humid Wednesday. And, hey, look how Jen parked the car today. Let's get a little closer over here. Not all that bad for her, but, not quite straight, but you're getting better. Here's a bit better view. Actually, the best view would be from the front. At least she didn't park it up on the curb or up in the grass. This lady here, this Oriental lady, just drove by looking at me weird, like, what was I doing? And you know what? I forgot my keys. That goes in there. Now it's time to gas up at the pump. What was it? 368. Hey, that's better than 375 as it was, what, 4 or 5 days ago? Cool. Alright. I hope no one does another drive-by. No, drive-by. Drive-off. Watch how fast it goes. Watch how fast Index goes. Halfway there already. See if I can get it right spot on. Oh, 10:01 again. And I just noticed this. My old school, North Titans, one of their buses, let's see, bus number 12, the long one is parked over here. I guess they're over there for runs, for lunch. Vine Street traffic. One of the longest lights in town, right here, especially in this turning lane. Lasts almost 5 minutes. What does that sign say? 98 frickin' degrees. Vitamins. Alright, another store run on the way home, and I just saw one of those signs where you see at Walgreens. Damn thing says 98 degrees out. I don't think it's that hot. It's hot, but it ain't that hot. If it's true, then we completely shattered the 90-degree record for this date in Lincoln today. Just my luck. On the way home, in a little bit of a hurry, and what happens? I get stuck behind a big ass fucking go figure. Just my luck. Okay, kids, keep it clean. Now I would do a little bit more ham radio type of videos and everything, but my wife has the TV way too freaking loud to where you can't hardly even hear anything, so you have to wear headphones. So I'll have to see if we can switch that out in the next couple videos. But as you can see, these on this rose bush here with plenty of thorns are really blooming, or just beginning to. They're beginning to bud. A few of them are blooming. I believe that's rose. I'm not sure. All I know is it's a red flower with thorns, and I've always known those to be roses. What? You're scared? What are you scared of? Just go nice and slow. Okay?
Not going to fast.
Oh,
Is that a camera?
okay. Well, of course it's a camera. Here. What do you see through it, huh?
Let's take a picture of you.
Well, you already are. Okay?
Okay, I got to.
Okay. Say hi.
Hi.
From?
Where's baby come from? Where's baby come from?
Yeah, that was some. Clean up. More child labor. Hello, little red ball. Oh, looks like somebody's dressed for summer today. It's almost 93 degrees out. What? Oh, you go find a basketball? They didn't leave any basketballs in here for you? Well, you better go find one then. See where we can touch the rim. Yep, touch the rim. Ow, that hurts. What you looking for?
What are you doing in here?
Are you lost?
No.
Okay, well. Alright, back to number 1. Over to the porter. Okay. Almost. Let's make some hoops today.
Haircut, because it's too short.
No cowbells. We're on the elevator again today, huh? We're way up at 6 and we're not even parked. A long way down. Okay, alright, I got you. Look how far up we are, buddy.
Hi, Dad. Back one more time.
Okay, hold on.
Hi, Dad.
Keep your finger off the line.
Hi, Dad.
What?
See with the side window.
You are out the side window. Okay.
You got the dirtiest fingernail.
Want to go up? Alright.
Don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry.
And look, another one's still going up. Looks like he's going all the way up to 6. All the way to 6. Okay? Alright. Let's go to elevator number 3. Okay? Thomas the Train says. Okay. You're a little bit big for that, Jeffrey. Oh well. We'll have to see if we can find a bigger one. Oh well, at least it is a weapon on it. You take it for a drive anyway? Okay, go. Come on. Hey man, I'm walking faster than you're going. Come on, buddy. Yeah.
You like mail?
Yeah, but that's not our mailbox. Look, the sunset. Probably in, what, 2 hours or so? It's just after 6 o'clock right now. Whoosh. Okay. Here's the neighbor's mailboxes.